Hey everyone! If WhatsApp keeps automatically downloading photos and videos and filling up your gallery, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a few quick and easy steps to stop it. Just follow along carefully. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. If you're on Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner. If you're using an iPhone, just tap Settings in the bottom right corner. Now tap on Settings. Once you're inside, scroll down and select Chats. Here's the first important step. Look for Media Visibility. If this option is turned on, WhatsApp automatically saves media to your gallery. Go ahead and turn it off. This stops photos and videos from showing up in your gallery automatically. Next, go back to the main settings screen. Now tap on Storage and Data. Here, look at the Media Auto Download at the bottom. This is where we completely stop media from auto-downloading. First, tap on When using mobile data. Uncheck all the options, photos, audio, videos, and documents, then tap OK to save the changes. If you want even more control, you can repeat the same steps for when connected on Wi-Fi, so media won't download automatically there either. You can make the same for when roaming. And that's it. WhatsApp will no longer auto-download media, and your phone storage will stay clean and clutter-free. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips.